Make a great choice today with the 2018 Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, compass, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, fog lights, day-night rear-view mirror, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.